So what I'm going to do is take the item that I'm going to ship. I have it all nicely packed up together. I stick it in my poly bag. I take my business card. The business cards, my husband actually designed them for me, and then we got them printed on vistaprint.com. So you can choose how many you want. A lot of times you can go online and you can get promo codes to use when you do check out from the website. Next, I'll take my Crafty Q label that I printed on my printer on this label paper and stick on the bag. And to speed things up, if you ship a lot of items, you can just get a stack of your poly bags and just start putting the labels on just to make the process a whole lot faster. Then I take my cardboard insert and stick it behind my item. And then I have my bubble wrap envelope for extra protection. Stick that in there. Then take the self-adhesive paper off. Seal it. And then next I will actually print my label out and then put it on the envelope. I don't want to show my customer's address, so I'm not going to do that step. But yeah, again, print out your labels. You can print 2 on here, pull it off, and then slap it on. And then last, throw it in my IKEA bag, and it is ready to go. And then I just repeat that process all over again. And from here, I actually will either take the bag to the post office, or I would set up a pickup from the post office to come pick the packages up. And that's it, you guys. It's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was useful, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.